18.5. All right. This is getting. I have to explain. The lectures have already been shortened a little because we realized that actually a lot of it you really have to try on your own. Seriously. What we aim to do in lectures is just provide you with the standard forms. Provide you with the standard form. One example each of each standard form. You've got to go home and try the tutorial questions. Alright? If you think just by understanding the lecture you can do your exam questions, I'm afraid not. Okay? Alright? So the lecture examples are actually quite standard, quite easy. Okay? But you have to try the tutorial questions. Okay. Can I go through this table here with you? Can I have attention? Can I go through this table with you? Now, okay, look up. Don't talk, look up. First, can I have attention? Integrate cosine, you get sine x plus c. Obvious, because you all know in differentiation, so you do the reverse. Integrate sine, you get negative cosine. Again, you know because of differentiation. Integrate secant, you get tangent x. Also obvious, because you also know differentiation. Now the next three are not so obvious to many of you. Correct? The next three are not so obvious because we all know all these standard differentiation across like that. But these three differentiation from here to here is not very obvious to many of us. Can I appeal to all of us? If it's not obvious to you now, make it obvious. Okay? Make it obvious. I don't mean that you must memorize. I don't mean that you must memorize. Though it will be good. Though it will be good. If you can very quickly derive the difference, the differential of cotangent x equals to this, fine. And I repeat, it must be done quickly. Okay? Fine. If not, then make it obvious. Because when there will be questions that will assume that you know this standard integration and these three are not in the formula list. Okay? These three are not in the formula list. Okay? Can so if this is not obvious now, make it obvious. So not so obvious, but you have to make it obvious. Okay? Please make it obvious to yourself. These three lines. Okay, can I? Three only. Can I take a bit of your memory space? Just remember these three. Well, I give you discount. Can I give you discount? Remember two. This one, you can look at the formula list, but not in this form. What do I mean? Okay. If you look at the formula list, okay, maybe I show you. This one. Look here. This is formula. This is the exact copy of the formula list. This is differentiate this equals to this, differentiate this equals to differentiate. Differentiate this, I get this. Therefore, integrate this, I get this. So, not bad. Discount, one discount. So, of the three, you must remember two. Because this one, you can play cheat. Follow what I'm saying? Follow what I'm saying? Look, this line, this one. Can. So, all you need is to remember this one. This and this. First and third. Can? A few more. This one I'm not worried. Can you have attention, please? These three, these four, sorry, I'm not worried. Can you have attention? Are you ready? These four, I'm not worried because they're actually in the formula list. No problem. Quite easy. Yeah? Just that when it's mod sign, when it's a ln, there's no mod sign. You just have to replace with mod sign. Again, can you highlight this portion? The formula list has no mod sign, has no integrating constant. Just make sure you add this on your own. Okay? Can I refer you to the formula list here? Look here. You just look at this page. This particular page shows you everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. No integrating constant, no mod sign. Can? Okay? This is the page that you should refer to. Okay lah.